Very good morning, Namaste. How are you? Myself, Dr. Neeraj from India, Bharat. And today, again, we have a soothing message for you. And this message will help you to know about your divine gifts which are present in you in abundance. So, contemplate what we are talking today, and you will be aware about your true gift. See, why you are not aware about your gift? Because you are totally concentrating on your false self. And when you concentrate on your false self, what do you get? You get a limited pleasure, a limited happiness, and limited joy, and then followed by suffering, pain, mood swings, isolation, emotions, and you feel emotionally punctured, because that is the nature of false self. False self is always undergoing change. Why we are constantly talking about false self? Because all of you are trapped, or all of you are living your life in false self. And when we became aware about our true self, we felt so excitement of sharing this wisdom to you. That's the reason we are talking about false self again and again. This false self has a habit of attracting you. This false self has a habit of making you feel good for some time, but it can never make you feel content and complete. That is the nature of true self. True self is that which has everything in abundance, which connects you to your within eternal wisdom, which is present within you. And within you is a divine temple. Are you connected to that? I'm sure you are not. That's why you are suffering, you are in pain, and you are not cultivating any happiness in your life. And you're waiting that some surprise will take place in your life and you will be blessed with everything. See, the surprise is that devote yourself to your true self, because true self is the ultimate gift, is the ultimate surprise about which you should know. But you may not be taking it seriously, because you must be feeling, how is it possible? Why true self can give me peace? Why it can help me to know about myself? Because that is the nature of true self. True self is beyond your physical body, your mind, and your intelligence, and it helps you to enter into your spiritual wisdom. Before that, whatever you have tried, you are never entered into your spiritual gyan. Spiritual gyan is one which gives you directions, which helps you to know your eternal temple. And this temple is vibrating. This temple is waiting for you, and this temple you can only help in knowing with the master who is enlightened. All the great saints, all the great rishis, great munis have said to know your true self. If there is any purpose of life, that is to know your true self. And with the help of the master, you know your Satchit Anand Brahman, which is the ultimate purpose of all wisdom. All scriptures have expressed high about it, and master is the key. There is a myth that without master also one can be aware about true self, Satchit Anand Brahman. No, it is not possible. If you are feeling that, if it is possible, you can have a debate on that with us. Without master, you can never be aware of your true self, Satchit Anand Brahman. It is a blessing of teacher who can help you to know which is already present within you. And it is present. That's why we are sharing it with you. It's already present. You don't have to bring it from outside. You don't have to do anything. There is no meditation, no prayer is required. You just have to know it. And I'm sure that if you get that kind of an environment in which you cultivate yourself and nurture yourself into the divine gift, you are surely, and you will be pleased to know that. That's why we are sharing this message again and again, to know your true self, Satchit Anand Brahman, because it has everything in abundance, and we are knocking at your door. Please listen to us again and again. Contemplate on this and have a great life of peace, joy, and permanent bliss, which is radiating right now also out of you, but you're unable to experience it, see it, and feel it. Thank you. Have a great day.